All right, let's go. Okay, so I'm just gonna demo the application first, right? So I've started listening on the code. I'm just gonna go Postman. So yeah, I'm okay. Let me just clear this out. Okay, yes. And I'm going to send this, and so I'm sending it to hello with parameters as foo equal to bar, and then I have some headers like which we taught in the tutorial, and then I have some body content, and then this is the response that it sends as a JSON object. So welcome and some message, and that's what it does. And then this is the console logs. So there's a query string object which is like the foo bar and returning the response. This is the response that I'm returning, as you can see, 200, and then the message. Okay, and now look, this is critical. I'm calling the dependencies and instantiating the server and starting the server, and then passing the instantiation to this function. So I grabbed the URL and then I parsed it, and then I put the query what do we call it? With the query boolean is true, and then I got the path and the path name. I turned it using the regex as shown in the tutorial. Then the query string object. Now send. Use this true to get the query, and then I just console logged it. Just basic stuff. Then I got the HTTP method and the headers. I used the decoder, just like in the tutorial, and then added the data to the buffer. I mean, all this code is really unnecessary because I just have to send, where is it, this choose handler is the only thing that I need, to be honest. But then it's just good bad practice, as I learned in the tutorial, because this is selects. Okay, so let me explain a bit more in detail. Let me just close this one. Yeah, so after the payload is added to the buffer, right, we choose the handler using this ternary operator. Okay, and here we construct the data object to send the data back, and so this is just initializing the data, and then what we do is this function is called and data, and I mean we use this what do we call this? Yeah, just we use choose handler to call the handler from this router, right? And then the status, we get the status code, and then we get the payload. We get the payload string from the payload, which we just stringified, right? and then we set the header as content type application JSON, so that Postman can actually recognize that it's JSON, not just Postman, any browser. And then we write the status code, and then we send back the payload string. And I'm just logging this onto my console just for like sanity check, I guess. Then this is the functioning part, and this is just like the instantiation part of the handlers. I define a handler object, and then I define a router, a request router, and then I put a hello handlers.hello. I'm just gonna 1 second. Right. Right. Okay. I forgot that. Sorry. And then I call back 200 status code 200 and with a JSON message, or 404 with a JSON message. So I'm still running this. I'm just going to check quickly. This should send us that. Yep. Nice. Okay. Yeah, this is channel check, and yeah, that's basically the work I needed to do. So just to recap, I'm sending a request to localhost 3000. That is a port in. I forgot to mention that, I guess. I'm listening on port 3000, and with the, what do we call this? Yeah, route hello, and then with parameters vocal bar and some headers and some body, basic stuff. And then my API is sending a message back, which is this welcome message. And then that's it, I guess. Thank you for listening to me. Hope you like my work.